Hi there, internet family. I hope you are doing well. Alright, in today's recipe going to be short. If you're stuck at home and running out of things to do or running out of ideas what to cook at home during the quarantine time, maybe you want to watch some cooking videos like I've done in the past, and that could help you get through it. Alright, in today's menu is rather simple. I am going to show you how to simply preserve the meat. If you bought a lot and don't want to store them in the freezer, so maybe you want to try this recipe. Alright, okay, first we are going to prepare the ingredient, which is the garlic. Nothing complicated here, simply peel and get it ready. This is going to be added into a marinade process, so grab at least maybe 10 cloves of garlic. Now if you prefer, you can add some black or white pepper into the mix as well. I use mortar and pestle to crush them to get the natural aroma oil. Done. I'll set it aside for now. Next step is to prepare the meat. I bought a beautiful cut pork neck from the local market. The reason why I chose this type of meat is because it has some unnatural fat in it. I find it softer once fried rather than lean meat. Cut a long strip like this. Remember that once we dry them, they will shrink a little bit. Therefore, cut a little longer. As part of this, the dry meat portion are going to be sent to my cousin who lives in another state. Sharing is caring, right? Now, in a mixing bowl, you are going to add crushed garlic, to seasoning the pork, I would like to keep it at minimum. I will add oyster sauce first, and then a couple of teaspoons of salt. And to balance the flavor out, I will add a little bit of sugar. Last but not least, sesame seeds as optional ingredients. So to cook the sun-dried pork is very simple. I normally just heat up the cooking oil on the medium and then just toss them into the pan and then fry them until they're golden brown. I like to eat them with sticky rice or maybe steamed rice. If you make a lot of these, just vacuum pack and then store them in the fridge. It can last for months, so you won't run out of food at all. Then wash your hand and wear a cooking gloves before mixing. This will help safeguard you and others. At this point, just make sure that the marinade ingredients are coating well. Long bamboo stick skewer are a lifesaver here. So I learned the hard way that when I try to dry them on a cooling rag, so it kind of like stick and then it just like all over the place. It's very hard to remove once I'm dry. And I find that if I use the bamboo skewer like this, it will save a lot of time and save you from headache too. So I will tuck the stick with the rag to prevent them from moving around. Alright, I think it's done here. Let's get outside. I choose to use natural sunlight to dry the pork. Plenty of sunlight and a little bit breezy today, which is perfect for drying the meat. Well, what are you seeing here is my DIY dry box, which is a repurpose of the clothes rack which is no longer used. With a couple of mosquito net, sheet and ziplock, so I built this one. So you see that quarantine time you can become a little bit of creative as well. So this box keeps the insects away, so especially annoying flies. You don't want them to get in there. It would take a few hours to get the pork to dry, and I maybe just go take a nap and come back and then flip the other side so they dry thoroughly. This is the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and I wish you all stay safe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.